bad parenting skills. So you think that you can just start off, oh, wham, right? Well, guess what, little baby? You think that you can, oh, just come to my house and start smacking me around? Huh? That's what I do to my kids if they smack me. And then if they want to come and saying, hi, daddy, I'd be like, call me Jermeek. Then if they say, Jermeek, I'll be like, what did I tell you to call me? Jermeek? Then I'm going to be like, that's what you said. I'm going to be like, then she's going to be like, you have problems. And I'm going to be like, how old are you? And she's going to be like 12 years old. You liar, I hate lies. I mean 12 months. Oh, you said that too late. Then I will do WWE moves on her. For example, like this. Stunner! I would love to teach my kids how to wrestle. Just a ticket. You gotta know how to tap out. You gotta know how to tap out. Then when they start tapping, I'll keep doing it. So then they can try to get out of it. Until they pass out. Rockin' my baby on the tree. Whoops. That's what you get. Like I said, guys, you will not want me to be your father. I have bad parenting skills.